Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So this video, we are going to discuss about our positional stock option scanner, how it works, and we try to find positional strategy. So based scanner. So this scanner we are providing for mainly our strategy. So we have an advanced option strategy. So there we will use this particular scanner for one of the strategies called ATM options, where the same tool which we can utilize for all other strategies like 1.1, 2.1 or SBB or FO strategy. That is what a purely a strategical based, and we developed the scanner for the strategy to very easiest way we can find out where there is a breakout and which stocks are moving in overall market. So that is what the logic which we have created the scanner. But some who are not finished our or who are not attend our scanners the course, someone was asking how much accuracy about the system and what is the trade calls. It is not providing you any trading calls, or it is not providing you any buy sell tips. Then we can't provide you any accuracy. So accuracy in the sense of how many trades we are going to take from that, so how much it's going to success, because different people who can use a different strategies like hedging strategies. Someone who are high risky taker, they can try for a naked trade. Someone who can low risky, that would be a OTM options kind of strategy, that strategical based. So that here this particular scanner is helping you to find out what is the overall market which is happening for the month. So monthly scanner, for an example, if it is a weekly scanner, it is showing you what is going to happen in the overall market in the particular week. Okay, so last week, that is what this up to 10th Friday, the ending week. So this much of opportunities, even though our intraday or sorry, weekly or a monthly, we will try to find some 3 to 5 stocks is good enough for the month. So right now the 10 days is gone. So if you are looking at a monthly, so we will be getting many stocks which can be in the call side. So the question is which to select, which one is not to select. So mostly the liquid stocks. So liquid stocks, how do we find out the liquid stocks? Is simply by the dip, or normally some stocks normally it's not liquid. Some of the stocks always liquid. So if you are following the stocks, then you can easily identify which is going to be very liquid or which is illiquid. Sometimes if you are going to check the depth of the market, so it is going to tell you which is whether currently it is liquid or not. For an example, SAIL, National Aluminium. So most of the time they may not be liquid, but sometimes they is liquid. But other stocks like HDFC, SBI, these are always be a liquid stocks. So before finding an opportunity, you maybe check the depth of the market, and you can easily identify whether at the time it is liquid or not. So this is what an opportunity for this month, for July. We have 10 days movers, almost 50 plus percentage increase. Stocks is near about 8 9 stocks in the top list. So maybe from it is not happening today, it is not happening one day. This is the scanner which works for the till the month. So let assume, so if you are started this from 1st July, and the same will be for 30th July or 31st, whatever the last trading session, but expiry may came around 2025, or even in between the range 20 to 20. But as per our logic and the positional strategy, from the first of the month till the end of the month, if the expiry is done the next 1 week, so we are not going to apply our positional strategy. It's a monthly strategy. It is going to start on every month. So if you are tracking this scanner, you may be having some opportunity which can be easily find it out. So this top listed stocks where it can be going to give you some opportunity. For example, I just let's look at the Nakuri, which is in the top 980. So let me check what is happening here when there is a trigger, whether it is a valid or invalid. So if you look at this, initially it's liquid. Okay, while before checking that it is initially liquid, but after that it is not a liquid right now. So because of it is deep in the money at this moment. So normally a deep in the money should always be a less liquidity. But while we are planning for an ATM strike, so at the time while we are checking that ATM whether it is liquid or not, so 980.77, so we have breakout. So that is happening on the day 2. So the second of the month, that is what is day 2, where this is an opportunity which breaks the level of 77, and this is what a key entry point, and there is a trend confirmation. This things how we are confirming the trend that we are discussing on the course, and based on that the strategy which we can utilize is like 2.1, 3.2, SBB or EFO strategy or OTM, or this is the naked one as an ATM. So this kind of strategy, so because it depends on your logic or risk ability, you can choose any one of the strategy which we are going to apply at this point. So after applying that, we know where to keep a stop and where to keep a target if it's naked. But if it is an edge trade, that always be come with the defined stop loss or the protected risk, because we are doing an edge. So once the edge is triggered or edge position is your triggered, your risk will be protected, or your risk will be like what we say, that would be maximum. You can fix the maximum risk of if the trend goes wrong, or if it is going against you, you are going to lose maximum amount. That can be, it's defined by the edging, either which kind of edging strategy which you are going to apply. So after that, it is a monthly positional, where to I exit. So maybe we are, when it is achieve the target, or if you're trialing your stop, or if you are an edging position, then there is no need stop, because it is a fixed risk, as well as an maybe a kind of strategy which you are using unlimited, then it would be unlimited profit. So as per our concept 77, and now it is 215. So this is an while we are taking, this is a liquid or not. So this particular time it is showing you some good liquid. Maybe after our entry it will be came down around 59 and even sometime 54. But after that it went. But 54 is not our stop loss. We know where to keep the stop. Okay. So the second one is Skull and 390. So when it is triggered, so maybe last week. So because in the first week, the stock would not be in the list. Maybe at this point, it may came into the top around the 9th. That is 2 days back only. The stock occupying in the top list. So maybe if it is a liquid, yeah, it is looks like a liquid. So when there is a 35, this is what a trigger point after 10 o'clock it is triggered. So it is a valid entry. So when in 1 day or 2 days it is achieve the target, but below the 960 would be also in the top. But whether it is going to give you opportunity or not, where you can look at this is purely not liquid. So it was started by 6 and it is gap up, and maybe this kind of stocks, even as a scanner, this is a scanner, its job is to find out all the F&O list. So whether it is liquid or non-liquid, that is not going to check it, but it will be finding out all the list. As manually we are going to ignore this kind of stuff. And the Paytm 1150.95. So let me check Paytm 1150. Whether if it is liquid we can track, or if it is not liquid we don't track. So that is what the logic which we are going to use it. And if you are looking at when there is a trigger or breakout something around 95. So the 95, maybe at this point second, maybe if you are following the trend, prior to that it is good liquid. So maybe after our breakout, it came down to 74. This is also not came to our stop, and then it went up to near about 113, and it came down, and now finally 205. So because it sometimes the deep in the money, the people who are not actively trading on that, but it would be always be on the settlement price, it will be reaching the price level as per the intrinsic value. That intrinsic value is nothing about the real value of the option. So when we are placing the real value, so it may be executing your trade also. So like if I don't want to find if I'm just tracking in the first 2 days, I got a two stocks, but next after this Paytm, so this three stock is good enough for the month, but we have a lot of stocks from this list, but we are not going to focus all the things. So our logic is to how we effectively find out some 3 to 5 along with the scanner, applying our hedging strategy. So this is what a concept is. Weekly, why we are using a weekly scanner, so try to find some 2 to 3 opportunities for a week. So why the importance of the weekly strategy? For example, if you are looking at a market, so if you are seeing the first week of July, it was up. So in the first week, and the second week is were down, and third week is slightly recovering back. So if you are using a weekly strategy, in that first week, so you may be finding out a call side. And the second week, you may be finding out some stocks in a put side. And third week, so maybe 1 or 2 weeks is good enough to find 1 to 2 stocks per the month. But hedging strategy should not be possible with this weekly strategy, because weekly we have a 5 days holding period. So most probably naked kind of trade which we can utilize in the weekly thing. So this is what a logic which we are using with our positional scanner tool. So now we have a mostly not doing and slightly winding up the stocks related activities, but we have built such a powerful scanners like for a positional and intraday, as well as Camarilla breakout scanners. So a lot of scanners which we have created in our past history. So anyone who required that particular scanners and course, so you can also get that from us very limited charges. For example, if you are anyone who are trying for the scanner, so we have that advanced option strategy course plus scanner, that we can get a combo. So if you are anyone who are really interested to learn plus using the scanner, so the scanner we are providing a lifetime access, and the course also the recorded one which you can access with the lifetime. But the strategy, once you learn, the course is not required, because that the purpose of this course is to understanding the logic. So once you understand, then the scanner will help you to find out some trade opportunity with positional basis. If anyone were really interested on to learn the strategy with this scanner, so just mention this video positional scanner on my WhatsApp, and you will be getting that details for how to get the scanner also. We will install you on your PC, and it is a one-time setup, and you can use it for a lifetime. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.